Okay.
Okay, we just wanted to start with a quick video to show you guys how to get into the Chromebooks and how to use them. Because when you come and get yours tomorrow, we want you to be able to just get into it and look around on it when you get home. First things first, you cannot pick up a Chromebook unless you turn in your iPad and charger. If you didn't check a device out from the school this year, that doesn't count for you. But if you did, you have to turn the others in before you get this. And yes, you have to come get one of these. Secondly, these cannot be shared between your children. If you have children in multiple grade levels or children in multiple schools, they each have to stay with their own Chromebook. They can't be logging into each other's. So with that being said, let's take a look at the Chromebook. So when you first open it up and get logged in, be patient. They're a little bit slow at first, but it'll get better. This white box is gonna pop up like this. And this is where you put your school email. Parents, this is not your email. This is your child's email that they use for Schoology that's on their login card. They'll get a login card with it that'll either be green or orange. So for this kid, I'm gonna put theirs in. Now you don't have to put the @student@Snyder stuff because it's already there for you. You click next, and this is where they enter their passwords. Yes, it's the one with all the zeros. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's 4. 1, 2. Okay. Now, it logs this kid in. Now, this kid won't have to log back in like this every time. They should just have to log in one time. If they do, just keep your card handy. Please do not tape your card to the device. Don't write on this device. You are responsible for any damage done to this device. If it breaks, it gets water damage, lost, anything like that, you have to pay for it. So just be sure that it's protected. Okay, this may pop up and then it usually takes you straight to the internet to Clever. Now with Clever, they can either log in with Google or they can log in with Clever. If they log in with Google, it just takes them straight in. They don't have to put their password. So now this child is straight into Clever. If you notice, it is touchscreen, so your child can just manipulate the screen this way. What we want you to do first when you get the device is, well, actually, let me back up because this is not true. It will not take you to the internet because you won't have internet access on your device when you get home. I am so sorry. To get internet access, you click down here on this bottom in the corner where the battery and the time is. Just click one time and then find this settings here. And it'll take you here, and you have to set up your Wi-Fi at home. I'm sorry, I should have told you that. So here you'll add your Wi-Fi. Once you put your Wi-Fi on it, it'll automatically connect every time. After you do the Wi-Fi, you'll go to the internet. On the internet, up here at the top is a blue square. It's tiny, it's a C. You just touch it, it takes you to Clever. Whoops, sometimes the internet's slow. Okay, now you'll click the login to Google and it'll bring them in to Clever. Now, once they get into Clever, the main thing that we want them to try and do is to go ahead and log into Schoology. Schoology's been a little silly today, so hopefully it'll work for us this time. This one's logging slow. Be patient. Like I said, they're new devices, so it may take a minute. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna log into Schoology. Uh-oh. Sign in with your Google account. I think this is, yeah, there it goes.
They're gonna be there already.
I don't know. No, okay, you may have to go in and type in your information. This is the information that's on the green card here, or the orange card. You'll have to type it in and get it in there, and then enter, update, log in. Let's see if it be's friendly. Click on their name. And it'll take you into Schoology. We just want to be sure they can get into Schoology on here. Remember, you can manipulate it using your fingers on the screen. Oh, if this box pops up, because it probably will, if this box pops up, just be sure it's your child's name right here, and then go ahead and go over here and click the X. It'll go away. It may pop up every time. That's just something we're trying to solve right now. we just want to be sure everybody can get in. Like I said, it is touch screen. They can manipulate it with their fingers touching things, but also, and sometimes it pops up like that. That's okay. Just be patient. But also they can use the keypad for typing in their numbers and letters, typing in their words. We'd rather them use this. And then you can use the scrolling here with 2 fingers. If this pops up, guys, just click update and log in, and it'll take you back. Hopefully you guys don't have to go through this too much. We're still trying to fix Schoology right now. It'll work before next week, I promise. If this doesn't work and you can't get Schoology to work on here through Clever, just log out and come down here and push the Schoology website button, and it should be able to take you to the Schoology website. And then on the Schoology website, you can use your QR code and scan it to get in. And maybe this will work better. We're still learning too, so bear with us. Yep, there we go. It works a lot better. So if you just can't get in through Clever and it's not working, there is a button down at the bottom that you can push. Now I'm going to show you these buttons, so I'm going to get out of the internet. If you look at the bottom left of your screen, there's a little circle you can push, and this is your apps. Okay, you don't need to play in these. The only thing you need to know how to use in here is Chrome, Zoom, and Schoology. And majority of the time, our Zoom is going to be through Schoology. So you won't even need to get into this. So Chrome and Schoology are your main ones you're going to want to be able to use. And like I said, if you have to go to Schoology instead of using Chrome, log in. And see, I didn't even have to use my scanner that time. So just, if you have questions, let us know. Please don't bombard us. We're trying our best to get to learn them. We'll help you guys as much as we can. And please watch the videos that we put out to help you guys learn how to use them. Thank you.